Hi, welcome to the Healthy Life channel. The brain is a vital organ that requires a lot of energy. Optimal brain function depends on the nutrients it gets from the food it consumes daily. A strong memory is the key to living a productive and meaningful life. Everyone wants to have a strong memory, so much so that many people take supplements to improve their memory. As it turns out, the foods and drinks we consume can play an important role in maintaining brain health and improving memory ability. There are several foods that, when consumed, can support brain health and memory. Fish, whole grains, eggs are some of the foods that need to be included in your diet for long-term brain function. Every food consumed has a major impact on the structure of the brain. Eating foods that improve brain function can support brain performance in the short and long term. There are several foods that play a role in maintaining brain health and improving certain functions, such as memory and concentration. Here are foods that are good to consume regularly for optimal brain function. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel are good sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. DHA is a major component in the structure of brain cells and plays an important role in maintaining strong neural connections. They can also increase blood flow to the brain, repair synapses, and reduce inflammation, all of which contribute to better cognitive function. As much as 60% of the brain's composition is made up of fats, especially omega-3 type fats. Omega-3s have been shown to have positive effects on brain health and memory. Omega-3s help build membranes around every cell in the body, including brain cells. Therefore, they can improve the structure of brain cells called neurons. Studies also show that omega-3 fatty acids may reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Regular consumption of fatty fish can help improve cognitive function and preserve memory. 2. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are plant-based sources of protein that are rich in essential nutrients such as vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps protect brain cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to aging of brain cells and cognitive decline. Magnesium is also important for optimal nerve function, while fiber can help maintain good blood flow to the brain. Eat plenty nuts and seeds such as walnuts, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and fiber that are excellent for the brain. Eating foods rich in these nutrients regularly can support brain health, improve cognitive function, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. 3. Eggs. Eggs contain high-quality protein, which is essential for the formation and repair of brain tissue. Eggs are a good brain food because they contain vitamin B12, omega-3 fatty acids, and choline. Vitamin B12 plays a role in nerve cell formation and maintaining nerve health. Choline is needed by the body to form brain chemicals, which can stimulate the production of brain cells so as to improve memory. Research shows that consumption of foods containing choline has been shown to improve memory and mental health. Omega-3 fatty acids found in eggs are also important for optimal brain function, as they aid in the communication process between nerve cells and maintain the integrity of cell membranes. All these nutrients work together to support overall brain health and performance. Choosing foods that are good for memory can support brain health. Integrating natural foods such as fatty fish, nuts, seeds, and eggs in a balanced diet can help maintain brain health and improve cognitive function. However, it is important to remember that no single food will provide major benefits. Adopting an overall healthy diet and active lifestyle is key to maintaining optimal memory and brain health. Always consult your doctor to find out what vitamins and nutrients are good for your health. This video is for educational purposes only. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss other videos.